So UFC's own Chito Vera was almost attacked at knife point in his own driveway. And I'm going to do a quick self-defense breakdown of things that he did good, things that could have gone bad, and things for you to look out for that can help you in a self-defense situation as well. So let's get into it.
And so here he's just working on his truck, and this guy rolls up on him real quick, pulls a knife. He spots the guy, grabs his gun out of the car, points at him. He runs away. Thank God that was it. But right here, let's see. So if he was a little deeper into that truck, had his head deep in there, he wouldn't have even seen. So you have to be situationally aware of everything going on around you at all times, especially when you're outside. But yeah, so if he was deep in that engine working, he might not have even seen this guy coming up. But this is right about where he notices him, and then he goes for the gun. Now, look how close this guy already is. If that guy was walking any faster, that could have been really bad for him. And he pulls out his old, where is it here? The guy pulls out his Crocodile Dundee knife. Where is it? Right here. So he's already at the driveway when he pulls that good old, that's not a knife, this is a knife out. So, I mean, if he was walking any faster, he would have reached Chito. And imagine if he didn't pull that knife. Imagine if he just kept on walking and didn't actually pull a knife. By the time he got up to Chito here, I mean, imagine if he didn't pull that knife and he got right there. And if he didn't pull that knife, Chito might not have pulled that gun out of there. He might have just said, "Hey, man, what's going on?" And I mean, even with Chito without a gun is still dangerous. Obviously, that's the wrong guy you're walking up on, knife or not. That's the wrong guy to be walking up on. But yeah, so he's look how close he is. If he didn't pull that knife, Chito might not have even grabbed his gun, and that would have been bad. Chito probably would have got a few pokes in him from that guy. But yeah, so not to mention, what if, so that guy, right, he's in the front of the driveway, pulls that knife. What if Chito's wife and kids were out there? You know, what if what if he had, I don't know if he has a son, a daughter, a wife, if she's out at the mailbox, she's out at those cars out there, that could have been really bad for her and the kids. So thank God they weren't out there. But yeah, so always have your gun at arm's length from you or on you, because you never know who's going to walk into your driveway, what's going to run up to you when you're taking a walk with your wife and kids, when you're walking out of your car, walking to the store. You never know who can walk up on you. So carry all the time. And this is just another situation where someone, could say to you, "Why do you carry a gun? Why do you always have your gun on you?" Well, you could be in your driveway washing your car, and someone could come up to you with a knife to rob you and stab you. So that's why you always keep your gun on you. And let's just talk about his gun of choice just laying on his driver's seat there. That's pretty cool. He's just got a pump shotgun there to hand out some buckshot party favors into this guy's chest if he was trying to stab him. But good for Chito. Go Chito. Good move there, and but it's good that it ended the way it did, and this guy just took off. So that guy doesn't have to die, and Chito don't have to deal with the police and all that stuff, and going to court and everything. But hopefully, this guy that takes off, hopefully the police eventually catch this guy so he doesn't keep doing it again. Or the next guy might not hesitate like Chito did. The next guy might give him some buckshot in the butt cheeks on the way out. There you go, bang, right there. He could have taken some buckshot right there. But yeah, so it's good that it ended the way it did. But yeah, always be situationally aware, no matter where you are. Even if you're in your driveway, always have your gun near you. If you're off-body carrying, make sure it's still near you that you can grab it. But I recommend just having it on you as much as you can. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you got to go places where you might not be able to wear it. But yeah, if you are outside your house, have it on you, because look what happened. And I don't know where he lives. Maybe it's L.A. or some really bad place, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean it can't happen to you. I don't think because you live in some safe town that it's always going to be safe every second, right? So just make sure that you are always being aware, that you're always carrying. And if you're not carrying, get your concealed carry permit. You can do it in every state now. There's no excuse. Get training. and just get that awareness that there are dangerous people out there at all times, no matter who you are. Even if you're a UFC fighter, someone can roll up on you with a knife to rob you. So, guys, I just want to go over that real quick, point out some stuff, do a little Monday morning quarterback review. But I think Chito did a good job. He had it close to him. He pulled it out, and that he didn't fire, which was good as well. Yeah, so great. Good job, Chito. And, guys, keep carrying, keep learning, keep training. Have a great rest of your day. One more time, let's watch Chito do his thing here, because it's just great that he had that just shotgun just laying there. He's like, hey, buddy. Oh, what do you got, a knife? Here you go. Have a good day.
All right, guys, thanks for watching that video. If you liked the video, smash that like button. Come back for some more videos. Have a good rest of your day.